Hi everyone, I am Juresa Ballesta. I am a brand ambassador of Wars Hair Products. And I'm so excited to invite you at this special event at her age.
As you know, I am a huge fan of Wars hair products and I'm thrilled to be their ambassador. They've been a game changer for my hair and my clients, and I know you love them too. So mark your calendar for May 27 at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. of Her Asia because Wires is hosting an amazing booth at the event. We'll have tons of exciting things happening, including exclusive discounts, get amazing deals on your favorite Wires products. Expert advice, our team of hair professionals is ready to answer your questions and provide expert advice. I'll be there to meet you and share my love for Wars Hair product. Don't miss the chance to elevate your hair game and experience the magic of Wars. See you at Her Asia! So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ayan, pumunta na kayo sa Her Asia at talaga namang hindi kayo magsisisi kapag pumunta kayo doon dahil maraming freebies, discount at iba't ibang mga hairdressers, mga sikat na influencer at sikat na mga makeup artist at iba't ibang may mga malalaking pangalan sa hair industry. So, ito na yung mga ginawa nating hair gamit ang Wars Hair Products. Ay, yung ginawa natin dito ay nag-Wars Keratin Straightening Opti-Straight tayo dito sa hair ni Madam. So, kitang-kita nyo naman yung shiny at smooth at silky. Tapos, napaka-bouncy rin ng kanyang resulta ng kanyang hair, guys. So, ayan. So, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga Wars Hair Products, pumunta lang kayo sa AirAsia para magkaroon kayo ng mga discount. So, ito rin yung ginawa nating isa sa hair ni Madam. Wars Keratin of the Straight din yung ginamit natin dito. At ito namang Botox treatment yung ginamit natin dito sa hair ng ating clients. So, gumamit na rin ako ng balancer sa mga ginagawa kong may bleach, may kulay, at mga rebonded. At ito naman yung Botox rin, yung ginamit natin sa hair ni Madam. At Kerapix na din. Okay,